Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. Today we have special from Suzuki Market that sent directly to me from Tour Food Miami. Um, this one called Hoya from Japan. Hoya is all sea pineapple, all sea squirt. This one. So the Hoya is very unique texture and unique flavor. The taste is like the ocean. When you eat, it's like ocean and explode in your mouth. And we're gonna serve with the actually in Japanese cuisine it's served with the dried cucumber and sanbaisu sauce that mix with the soy sauce, mirin, and vinegar, like same portion. And today we're gonna do two way. We're gonna do Japanese dish and another one is Korean dish that called monke bibimbap. So I'm gonna make two dishes today. Hoya is also pairing with the sake in Japanese cuisine. The special character when you sip the sake first, and then you eat a slice of Hoya, and then you sip the sake again. It's gonna make your sake more sweeter. So it's very special character. And also Hoya is contain full of the vitamin, full of irons, full of the calcium, and many mineral. So that's good for your body, for your kidney, and for your skin. Okay, let's start. So before we clean, I'm gonna marinate the cucumber with the vinegar sauce first. Okay, it's ready. I'm gonna put in the marinade in the sweet vinegar. And then gonna chill in the refrigerator. So we're gonna cut. Because of the Hoya is have a lot of the water inside. So it's like the meat is like this, very soft, very unique texture and flavor. A little bit salt, natural salt from the ocean. cut half. So finish, we're gonna wash again. Make sure very clean. So now we're gonna slide the Hoya in the piece. So we have the plate. You're gonna lay down the thin slice of cucumber that we already marinate with the fresh seaweed. And then for the sauce, soy sauce, mirin and vinegar, so same amount. So this one we're gonna pour on top. Gonna put in the center. Okay, finish. And then when we eat, we're gonna mix the sauce and pour on top, and then we eat together. And then we're gonna drink sake. So, and one more dish, we're gonna do the monkey bibimbap. So let's go. So for the bibimbap, monkey bibimbap, we have the shredded of the lettuce, bean sprout, the shredded of chisel leaf, onion, carrot, and then we're gonna put on top like this Korean style. And then for the sauce we have gochujang and we have the sesame oil. So when eat we have the sushi rice, we pour the gochujang on top, pour the sesame seed oil and mix and eat with rice. So we have two dishes Japanese and Korean. Okay, let's go. So this one is we finished with Hoya or sea squirt, 2 dishes. This one is Japanese dishes. So fresh Hoya pairing with the cucumber and fresh seaweed. So we're gonna put the soy sauce, mirin and vinegar on top and mix together. And this one Mongke bibimbap. So we're gonna put all the sauce and we're gonna eat with rice. If you like this video clip, don't forget to give me a thumb up. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel Danny Kitchen Mafia to your friend on your social media. Hope you like this video clip. See you in the next episode. Thank you. Tasting time. So like this one we're gonna pair with sake to prove that it's real. Drink the sake first. Sip, yeah. A little bit. Drink a little bit. A little bit. Okay. And then you eat the Hoya.
My first time.
Yes, I know. How it tastes?
It tastes like an oyster, but more intense flavor. Delicious.
So now you drink the sake. And then it's gonna make
everything is smooth in my mouth.
it's gonna make your sake more sweeter.
Yes, true.
Sure?
Yeah, like a sweet, slow.
Okay. So first drink the sake a little bit. So first thing, the Hoya, the texture is like Kong and abalone together, a little bit of crunchy, and when you eat, first bite, you feel like the ocean in your mouth, or the ocean, or the flavor, and then I drink the sake, and then eat Hoya, and then sip the sake again. It make your sake more sweeter. I don't know why, but it's happened. So now we're gonna eat the monkey bibimbap. So we're gonna put the sauce.
Spicy.
We're gonna put in a mixing bowl.
That's spicy.
The gochujang is not mild. It's not very spicy. So we're gonna mix everything.
So you say the second dish is Korean, right?
Yeah, Korean. And then we're gonna pour the sesame oil. Then we're gonna mix everything. Sushi rice,
Combined together.
yes. That's how we call bibimbap,
That's why it's come from the name, right?
yes. Okay, now it's my turn for the monkey bibimbap.
First impressions, chef?
So because of the gochujang is a little bit spicy, so we have the spiciness, we have the sweetness from the vegetable, and we have the oily from the, and smell good from the sesame oil. Good combination.
You like more the Japanese or the Korean? What do you think?
It's different,
Different flavors, right?
different character, different taste, different experience. But I like both.
The second one is very intense flavor.
That's why I want to show two ways. So you have option. First Japanese, second Korea. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell so you don't gonna miss the another episode. Thank you very much. Good night.